Okay, so let's figure out what their scores are going to be. This is how I have it set up. Your team, the names, the start score, the ending score, how much they improved by themselves, and then we're going to do a combined for the two, for the team. Okay? I've just put these ending scores in. They have nothing to do with a real score. I just made them up just to show you how to do this. So let's do the improved first. Here I want you to put equal, okay? Come over here to your ending for Wendy, and we're going to hit this one and put a minus. Then you're going to come over to the start number and hit that, and then you're going to push enter. So when you do, it is this score minus this score equals this score. We'll do the next one. Hit equal, minus, enter. There's your new score. Go down to team 2. We have an equal. This is what it's going to equal. And then your ending score is a minus. Your starting score is an enter. So you have this minus this gives you your improved score. Equal, minus, enter. Equal, minus, enter. Equal, minus, enter. So we have 3 teams here. This is just what we'll work on. We're not going to go ahead and go down here. So now what we want is their combined score, because it is as a team, we have 2 per team. What is your total combined score? That's all we need to know. So now what you would do, you would add these 2 together to get one combined score, right? So you're going to hit equal, and then you're going to hit this, and then you're going to put a plus, and then the next one would be an enter. This is your combined score for team 1. Double check, go down to the next one, you hit equal, this, plus this, enter, same score, okay? Go down to the next one, you have equal, this is a plus, this is an enter. Let's do it again. Equal, this, plus this, enter. Next one, equal, plus sign, enter. Equal, plus sign, enter. As you can see, got the same score for each team. So I know that I have it correct. Now to get, now for instance, if you had everything all filled out, you need both of these filled in with a score. Otherwise, they are not going to follow each other. So you remember that. So once you get them all done, then you go ahead and you put them in the order that you want. And you know how to do that on just a regular, one person member each playing by themselves. You know how to put them in numerical order. So just highlight your area of what you want to do and then put them in order. So here's the ones right here that I just put in order, the 3 teams. As you can see, the highest, and then the next one, and then the next one. I just put them in order. So once we do that, how I do it is I now go in and I take the duplicate number out of it, because you only need one number for each team, right? And one number for each team, one number for each team. You don't need the duplicate, but you have to have that to put them in order, because every space has to be filled out. So here you are, you have everything in order. What I do, I go back and I put my row back in just because I don't know, it's a cleaner look. So I just put my row back in like here, and then I'm going to put another row in here to separate them. See? So that's what it's going to look like. And you would have this highlighted, you would have this highlighted, and so forth, like you would normally do on it, like that. And then when you're through, everything will be all filled out, and each team will have one number. That is your combined improved score. Okay? I hope this makes sense to you. If not, let me know and I'll just redo it and maybe, I don't know, figure out a way. But let me know if this works. Thanks.